Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm introducing you to an opportunity on the Horus 2.0 Testnet where you can launch your NuLink Node and compete for a chance to win a share of 5 million NLK. To begin a brief presentation of the project, NuLink aims to revolutionize data security in our digital world. With its blockchain-based platform, it offers developers and product owners a simple way to encrypt data, ensuring privacy and security. Backed by giants like Binance Labs, NuLink sets a new standard in data protection. The process of configuring a NuLink node has been simplified using an automation script that I developed. This script takes care of installation, updates and deletions, making the whole process seamless. I will explain in this video how to get your NuLink node working easily. To deploy a NuLink node, you need a Linux Ubuntu 22.04 server with Docker installed. Make sure you have a system with at least 30 GB of storage, 4 GB of RAM, and a static IP address. TCP port 9151 must also be open. I recommend using a VPS1 Contabo for its reliability and performance. Watch my video Contabo VPS server guide for a simple setup tutorial. We will update our system and install the necessary tools, Ansible and Git. This step is necessary to be able to run the Ansible script that will install our NuLink node. Next, we clone the necessary repository, which contains all the files we need to get started. Then we enter the project directory. Once everything is in place, we run the Ansible playbook to begin installing our node. Our Ansible script automates installing, updating or removing your NuLink node, managing dependencies, Docker installation and node configuration effortless. After installation, a crucial step is to initialize your node. This involves running a script and answering a few questions to adapt the node to your configuration. Once complete, you can start the node and check the logs and confirm that everything is working properly. Congratulations, your node is well started. To fully participate in the Horus 2.0 testnet, it is essential to stake tokens on your node. We need to log in to the NuLink dashboard with the Metamask wallet of your choice and then get BNB and NLK testnet tokens. Next, we need to stake our tokens and bind them to our worker node. You need to send 0.2 BNB to your worker node address for gas fees. Make sure your node is online. Fill out this NuLink 2.0 Horus form to participate in the contest. Once your node is operational, here are some useful commands to stop, start, update, and delete your node. Congratulations, you are now part of the NuLink network. For more information, join the NuLink community on Discord and Twitter. You will find the item you are shown in the video description. Don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us on my Discord. I'll see you soon for a next tutorial on nodes.